In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accounting firm to QuickBooks using Intuit's platform. This process is essential for small business owners and freelancers who need to collaborate with accountants or bookkeeping services, making financial management simplified and efficient. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring you feel comfortable navigating this system. First, let's start by heading over to QuickBooks. Open your web browser and type in the URL to access QuickBooks online. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Double-check that they are correct to avoid any delays. Once you're in, you'll be at your QuickBooks dashboard, which is the central hub for all your financial tracking. Next, we're going to locate the settings. On the main dashboard, find the gear icon, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the window. This icon represents your settings menu. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu that is the key to managing your QuickBooks environment, including user permissions and integrations. From the Settings menu, you'll want to select the Manage Users option. This section is crucial because it allows you to control who has access to your QuickBooks data and in what capacity. Adding the right users ensures that your financial information is both accessible to those who need it and secure from unauthorized viewers and mods. In the Manage Users section, look for the Accounting Firms tab. Click on this to proceed. This page specifically deals with professional accountants and accounting firms who may be handling your financial oversight. Adding a firm here means they will gain the necessary permissions to view and manage your finances without the ability to alter company settings unless you allow it. Now, it's time to extend an invitation. You'll see an option labeled Invite Firm. Clicking this will prompt a window where you need to enter the necessary information. Precisely fill out the details required for the accounting firm you wish to work with. Typically, this involves providing their name and email address. Make sure you have their correct contact information handy to ensure a smooth invitation process. Once you've filled in the required information, submit the form to send out the invitation. The firm will receive an email prompting them to accept your request. They'll need to follow the instructions provided in the email to complete the process and gain access to your QuickBooks account. Regular communication with your accounting firm is recommended after sending the invitation to confirm receipt and ensure they can start working seamlessly with your QuickBooks data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully invited an accounting firm to collaborate with you using QuickBooks. This connection will streamline your financial operations and ensure you have the professional support needed for accurate bookkeeping and financial planning. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you now feel more equipped to manage your QuickBooks users effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.